Hi, this is our loud alarm clock. It's better to wake you up in the morning. Product could be used in replacement of normal alarm clocks. It's just a better version of a pretty regular alarm clock, improved by our design. And product works by attaching what was originally hooked up to the speaker, these two wires, into this whole circuit, working together with all this stuff to power these 4 speakers in a parallel circuit. And that was the demonstration of our product. And the product solves the problem of not effectively using your senses by just being louder. And it being louder is using your senses better as a whole and will be more effective to wake you up.